think we're making French toast.
Wait, what?
Chocolate. Okay, we have syrup, bread, and a spoon, and eggs. They're so heavy. Okay, so let's get started. And that's what Mom don't know what. Oh my goodness. Mom is so crazy. How many eggs do we need? 5 or 4 or 3? 3 or 2 or 1 or 7? Leave it a comment below. Should you count them with me? Say it louder. Yeah. Let's do it.
Influencer, huh?
Now count them with me. We have 1. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How many eggs do we need? Do we need 1 or 2? Say it louder.
2.
Good job. Now let's do 2. Here done.
Here they are.
Here they are. Where's the bowl? There it is. Say it louder. Where's the bowl? Good job. Crack the eggs, Mommy. Okay, Mom. I'm gonna be careful. I'm not. Oh.
Yeah. The light's on.
Okay, now I just need to wash my hands. Okay, now it's time to agitate.
Nope. We want to use a whisk.
Whisk. Ow!
What's a whisk? Good job.
I'll whisk it. Wait.
Before you agitate,
This looks wrong.
you need some of this.
Can I dump it in?
Yeah, you need a measuring spoon, not that one. This will do.
Okay. Now
Hold it.
pour it in.
Hold it flat. Okay, put it in.
That's too much.
It's just enough. Okay, now you need a little bit of milk. We need like 5 of those. Put it flat.
Don't get a lot. Dump.
You're just gonna go boop. That's how much
Okay.
we need. And then we need cinnamon.
Cinnamon.
There you go.
Oh,
Now
that's too much.
agitate.
I do want swimming, but Mommy, we have to go shopping to get Stella.
Stella has the swimsuit.
Yeah. Hey, Mommy, I tried one at the store with you. Can we use one? Yeah.
Keep going. You know what? Any of those here. Look, I like to put it in the corner.
Don't wipe it on my. Don't get it all over my dress.
Stella, get down.
Mom, please don't get it all over my dress, please. This is for my ballet class. I want to do it.
So, okay, cinnamon toast crunch.
Bye,
has this. can make like cinnamon sugar. Like they made a struggle meal bougie, and I'm here for it. Okay, good. Good job.
We have 1, 2 are free. Say it louder. Keep up. Good
Free.
job. Free. Now let's wait for the stove to get hot. How many is it going to take? Is it going to be 3 minutes? Or 4 minutes? Or 5? Say it louder.
3 minutes.
3 minutes.
Okay, we need some spray to make it not stick. And then put it in. Wait.
Oh, my sleeve. We don't want my sleeve to get dirty. Okay.
Okay, flip it over.
Okay, now flip.
Okay, let me help. Sorry, this pan's a little funky. I'm not gonna get everything all nice and wet. Okay, ready to put it in the pan?
Yep.
Next one, put the bread in and I'll make it wet. I'll get it covered. Covered in egg. This is called a custard. Ready? Next one. Next one. Come on. Oh.
Mom, I slimed them.
You slimed them.
Bree.
Okay, ready to go?
I slimed you. Now
We're gonna
you.
put it right there, okay? Sideways.
What?
Good job.
My hands are
Okay,
slimy.
now go wash with soap.
Okay. See you guys later. I want to do
Okay,
it. I want to
I'm
do
gonna
it.
see if it's ready, okay? Yeah, it's ready. Do you wanna flip?
Yeah.
Hold my hand. Hold my hand. We're flipping.
Ready.
Good job.
I have slime.
Wow, look at that amazing French toast.
So,
Looking so good, huh?
that's my big sister and hers over there.
Okay, go get a plate real fast. Hurry.
Roll. Yeah. First, you, mommy.
First, me.
Yeah, you're gonna eat breakfast too.
Okay.
So that one is for you.
Okay. This
And
one.
for Bella.
Okay.
You have
And
to cut
this
it.
one.
For me.
You want me to cut yours?
Yeah. Just a little bit, me. Because, Mom, guess what?
What?
I'm a big girl.
Art.
Yeah, and Mommy, guess what? I'm gonna pour a little bit on the like the French toast.
Okay. Fair enough.
Mom,
That's too much.
Okay. I like to do it like this.
No, Mommy, just wanna.
Huh? Have a little bit more. Pour a little bit more. Okay, good. Okay, I'm gonna put these on your table.
Ow! You wanna see my owie, guys? Wanna see my owie?
No, feet not on the table. You want first for Bella?
Ouch. Sausage. Okay.
Okay, I'll look for some. Scoot over, come on, eat. Thank you, Mama.
Mom!
What?
There's no some on here.
Well, dip it into this. Silly goose. breakfast is iced coffee and bacon. You gotta have to. No, that's yucky, yucky, yucky. Come bring it to me.
No, I'm just telling you.
I know, I'm just gonna throw it away.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Above the sky, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Making it out right on time today. This keeps happening. My pump broke. I need to go visit Hallie. Hi, Hallie. I'm at Rancheritos. Yes. Listen. They have, let me tell you. So if you order like a carne asada fry and then you get the fries on the side, I can get the fries to my kids and I can eat everything else. And then it's keto. Sweeto keto. I think I'm gonna tear this shit up and then go work out, maybe. Got the goods. Let's go. Let's go. I just saw sirens. So I hope everything is okay. Spaghetti-o. Have you guys ever seen one of these? It's like the Amazon hub. Let's get our stuff. Where is it? We have a package. What's inside? What's inside? Unboxing. Ooh! Outstanding. Oh gosh, they are stuffed in there. Outstanding puffs. Hella hot. I have all the info on what I need to do with these. With this situation. This is for a TikTok, so we're gonna be doing that. Are they all hella hot? Yeah.
Look at this.
Okay.
Come on.
Yay!